Hey everyone, Andy T here from ShutterReleaseWorld.com, and today we're embarking on a fantastic journey into the world of ISO and photography. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro looking to enhance your skills, this video is made for you. So let's dive into the intricacies of ISO, a fundamental component of the photography triangle, alongside with aperture and shutter speed. Let's demystify ISO in a way that's not only super easy to understand, but also fun. Imagine this. ISO functions as a superpower that enhances your camera's sensor sensitivity. Back in the film days, it was all about how sensitive the film was. A lower ISO number, think 100 or 200, is perfect for those bright sunny days. But on the flip side, ramping it up to 1600 or 3200 is like giving your sensor a boost, making it super sensitive to those low light and moody situations. In the digital world, ISO helps you tackle all sorts of lighting challenges. Though, just a word of warning that your ISO is a delicate dance. Cranking up your ISO can invite noise or grain into your pictures, and nobody wants to see that mess in their photos. Let's see this in action, shall we? Check out this snap at ISO 100. It's crisp, clean, and like HD for your eyes. But as we inch up the ISO ladder to 400, 1600, and then 3200, watch how the shadows start to get a bit rowdy with grain. It's a visual story of how ISO leaves its mark on your images. The trick? It's all about hitting that sweet ISO spot for your particular setting. If your subject is bathed in sunlight, go low on the ISO. However, if there's shadows, nudge that ISO up a bit, but keep an eagle eye on the noise. Aim for the cleanest, most brilliant exposure with the least ISO you can get away with. It's helpful to remember that ISO is like your camera's light sensitivity dial. Low ISO for those sun-kissed scenes, high ISO when the lights dim down. But beware of the grainy gremlins. It's all about striking that perfect harmony for your shot. Love this ISO deep dive? Then show some love. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and hit subscribe for more photography wizardry. And hey, share your own ISO adventures in the comments. Keep snapping those beauties and I'll catch you in the next video.